Welcome to TechElipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open the file from which you want to remove duplicates. If I open the file, now from here after open the file select your all the data and then click on conditional formatting. Then click on highlight cell rules and at the bottom you can see duplicate values. Then just click here. Then click on OK and that's it, and easily you can find your duplicate data. If you want to remove your duplicate data, just click on data. Now from here click on remove duplicates icon, then click on unselect all, then only check column A, then click on OK, then click on OK again to confirm it. And it's done. Now you can see your duplicates has been removed successfully. And that is how you can remove duplicates in your Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.